Alright, hey guys, Max, we're in this gymnasium here.
Let's look, show where we're at here. Check it out, man. We're gonna fly.
And first, if you turn the camera back over here.
I will. Just. Okay,
Right,
you're on.
Today we have a special treat for you again. You may have saw a video of the Beast 3D, which is epic.
If you didn't, go check it out.
Yeah, if you didn't, go check it out. Today we have a special treat, the e-flite Blade MSR from e-flite. I got this from Horizon Hobby. Very good little helicopter. Let's open it up, shall we? Turn on the box. All hobby grade helicopters, the box opens upside down. I know it's weird, but the manual, parts and stuff, extra fly bar. Let me open this up. In here, I got the ready to fly version because they didn't have the bind and fly version in my hobby shop. Extra batteries for the transmitters. I'm actually going to be flying it with the same transmitter I flew my Beast with. Again, check that video out if you haven't seen it. The DX4E Spectrum. So let's go ahead and get it out. So this is the Blade MSR. I've crashed it a few times, but it's look, no scratches at all, guys.
Yep.
Very good little helicopter.
Awesome.
I mean, there's not even a scratch on the blade or the canopy. We're gonna get off a e-flite 1S 3.7 volt 150 mAh 25C 1 cell LiPo battery.
Okay.
And so yeah, I'll give it plenty of power. And I already showed you my Spectrum DX4E. So this is part 1, guys, of the Blade MSR.
Check out part 2 to see it fly.
Yeah.